What's up there, sports car world? Cody here with Card Attractions, and we are ripping. Got some 2020 Optic hobby box here, baseball. So we're gonna rip right into this thing and see if we get some good stuff out of it. All right. Pull all these packs out. Got 4 packs put bonded here. There we go. So just find 2 autographs per box on average. So might get lucky and get 2 of them. So. All right, here we go. And we start off with Tommy Edman, Logan Allen, nice. Trey Mancini, Diamond King Optic Hollow there, and Cal Ripken Jr. Brian Abreu, Marcus Semien, very nice. Mike Trout. It's like an orange Optic Diamond King. Oh, it's numbered 59 of 100 too. Very nice. Very nice. And we have for the last card here, Gary Carter. So that was a good card there. All right, we got Pete Alonso, nice. We got Javier Baez, All-Star. Shohei Ohtani Illusions. It's nice with the hollow one because last time I got the white one. And then we got Jared Kelenic, maybe? And we got Sean Murphy, Trace Beera, and looks like we got a Lewis Thorpe hit. And it's a hollow auto. And it's on card too. Very nice. It's not a sticker auto for once. It's actually on card. So very nice card there. It's not numbered, but it is a nice card. And then we got a Wander Franco Mythical. Very nice. All right. Once again, my hobby boxes I buy from our local card store here, Wichita, Kansas, Oliver Sports. Right there. He'll probably send you stuff too if you needed to order something, if you couldn't find anything. And then he's also got this information here. So if there's anything you're looking for, give him a shout. You can usually get quite a bit of stuff. So Kyle Hendricks, Rafael Devers, very nice Zach Gallen, hollow, and Eisen Diaz, very nice Illusions card. We got Jacob deGrom, Jake Fraley, a good one there, Anthony Kay, and Josh Donaldson stained glass. Very nice. We got Nolan Arenado, Eisen Diaz, rated rookie there. Javier Baez and Nick Madrigal. All right. I never understood why they only put 4 cards in a pack. They should just combine 3 packs and make it 12 cards per pack and minimize the pack. But okay. Dylan Cease. Hey, Lewis Robert. And this is a hollow, the rookies Optic. Very nice. Just pulled the base rookie one. Make sure you get that in there. It's very nice. Very nice. And we got a rookies AJ Puck. Nice too. So not so bad so far. Got a good auto. Got a Luis Robert. Got a nice Mike Trout. Alright, got some color in this one, looks like, possibly. Got TJ Zoop, rated rookie. Bryce Harper. Good catch he made the other night. And we got Joe Adele. Oh, very nice. And that's an on-card auto as well. Wow. It is not, I don't see no number on it, but it is very, very nice. On-card auto of Joe Adele. Wow, that was a good one. And we got Trevor Story for the illusion card. Definitely going to have to see how much that card is going for right now, because that's a nice card. You got Aaron Judge playing excellent. Danny Mendick playing good too. We got Josh Abreu. That's a hollow optic there. And Evan White. I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but do love the style of these cards. Got Juan Soto, very nice. Base, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Bryce Harper, stained glass, and Roger Clemens. We got Graterol rookie. We got our Hernandez. Very nice Justin Dunn here. This one's numbered. Double check the other one. No, there's no number in the other one. And it's number 59 of 199. Very nice card there. And we got Royce Lewis. So not too bad of a box so far. We got some pretty good stuff. I do got one more mega box left of this as well. Who knows? I might rip it if we have enough time in this video. Aaron Judge. Very nice. Starling Marte. And then we got very nice Jordan Alvarez. The rookies. We'll sleeve that up as well. Let's keep on ripping through here. And we got Hoskins. Yelich. Sheldon Neuse. And Manny Machado. Another one that's playing pretty good. These guys, I don't know if it's because they don't have a real audience out there watching them, but man, it just seems like everybody is cracking home runs. They get a hit on that ball is gone. Very nice Garrett Cole there. Hang on to that. Justin Dunn again. Dwight Gooden hollow, very nice. And then we got a Corey Clumber White Illusions. There's more of these cards that keep than most others because there's not that many here, and there's a lot of nice cards in these packs. These optics. I like the Donruss optic. Alright, we got Brian Anderson. We got another color coming up. We got to Adbert Alzolay. And we got Nick Senzel. Very nice. And it's number 62 of 199. So, very nice there. And then last but not least, we got Kirby Puckett. Alright guys, get the last row knocked out here. Got Chris Paddock, Tony Gonzalez, we got Joey Gallo, and Wander Franco. Very nice. Wander Franco there. I get lucky, maybe get third auto. Probably not, but hey, it's always nice to think about that. I've seen it happen before. Charlie Morton, Eugenio Suarez, Dustin May, and Don Mattingly. Alright guys, last two packs. If you guys got any comments on the video, please leave them in the box. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the content that I put out. Got Marco Gonzalez, Edwin Rios, and a good one there. Mackenzie Gore, very nice. Rated Prospect Hollow. And we got Trey Mancini Stained Glass. Last pack here, guys. I'll just do that mega box probably tomorrow or something, maybe later. I don't know. So I can move on to another set. We got Madison Baumgartner. We got a nice Lance Lynn. I think I got the all hollow one last time. Trent Grisham. And we got Aquino Mythical. Very nice. Very nice card. So, we'll go back through and do a little recap of what we've got here, guys, because this does complete the video. So, we pulled a Mythical Aquino. Very nice card there. We got a Yordan Alvarez, the rookies. It's just a white. Then we got Shohei Ohtani, all Chrome Illusions, or hollow, I should say. And then we got this bad boy here, this orange Diamond King Optic, Mike Trout, number 59 of 100. This is a very nice card. Keep on moving down the line. Pulled this Nick Senzel. Really nice card here. I don't know exactly what they call that design, but 62 of 199. Very nice card. Justin Dunn, another one of them. Got rated rookies, number 59 of 199. 62 59. So, yeah, very nice cards. I love the shine. Then we got this really nice rated rookie hollow Optic Lewis Thorpe on card auto. It's not numbered. It's a beautiful card. Then we got this Joe Adele, which is another on-card auto. But it's in this beautiful design, rated prospect card here. Don't know how much this one's actually worth, but he's a real good player, and this is a beautiful card. Just beautiful. And then last but not least, we did pull another one to go to the PC. Lewis Robert. And this is the Hollow Optic, the rookies. Very, very nice. So I thought I did a good job on this break here. I do give thanks to the card strap guy. He picked the box for me, so can't complain about it. But that is it, what I got for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure you hit that like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We are on our 100 or 1,000 subscribers giveaway right now, and I will be giving away 2 hobby boxes to 2 lucky subscribers, and it's going to be 1 football and 1 baseball. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like. If you guys got comments, leave them in the box. I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Stay tuned. I'll be back with some more ripping. Thanks, guys.